It's Sunday, September 29th, 2024, 3:33 p.m. Harmon and I are at the range. Okay. Very well. Oh, he hit some bullseyes.
I don't know.
Couple. That's a, here.
All done?
Nope, just these ones. They'll come back later.
Okay.
Here, my turn. Hold this. Harmon. Hurry.
No bullseyes, no.
Okay.
I didn't get bullseyes.
So
Not
do you want a picture of you two together here?
We try to be.
I know. Do you want me to take a picture of you guys together?
Oh, yeah, go ahead. Well, I got it on video right now.
Okay. Well, later on, if you want,
I
great
like
picture
to- I
of
like
you guys
to
sitting in the
examine-
chair here, and with the target in the background, make a great picture of you guys.
Okay. Got it. Look,
I see.
got one bullseye there.
Till the break, 1 minute.
Not a face sheep.
What?
Not a face sheep.
What?
Not a face sheep.
Oh.
Okay.